If you've been searching for a way to achieve a bronzed summer glow without damaging your skin in the sun, then the viral sun-free glow patches from PureVLab are probably already showing up all over your social media feed. These futuristic microneedle tanning patches are quickly becoming one of the most talked about beauty innovations online because they promise something many people want: a natural-looking tan without UV exposure, messy self-tanners, or expensive spray tan appointments. According to the brand, Sun-Free Glow uses advanced transdermal microneedle technology combined with a patented EryGlow Complex to help stimulate the skin's natural tanning appearance gradually over time. Unlike traditional tanning lotions that sit on top of the skin and sometimes create orange tones or uneven streaks, these patches are designed to work beneath the surface of the skin using over 1,000 dissolving microneedles that painlessly deliver ingredients directly into the epidermis. The formula includes ingredients like DHA, erythrulose, peptides, hyaluronic acid, and vitamins C and E, which the company says help support a smoother, more hydrated, and more even-looking glow. The application process is simple. Users place the patch on areas like the upper arm or abdomen once every 2 weeks, and the gradual tanning effect develops over the following weeks. According to the brand's timeline, many users may start seeing a subtle golden tone after around 2 to 3 weeks, while fuller results may develop after 6 to 8 weeks of consistent use. One reason Sun-Free Glow has become so popular is because it targets many of the common complaints people have about fake tanning products. There's no sticky cream, no transfer onto clothes or bed sheets, no strong self-tanner smell, and no long drying time. The brand also claims the patches are dermatologist-tested, alcohol-free, and suitable for sensitive skin, making them appealing for people who usually avoid tanning products because of irritation concerns. Some online users say they love the subtle and realistic bronze tone because it looks more like a real vacation tan instead of a dark artificial color. Others are fascinated by the high-tech concept itself since microneedle delivery systems are already widely used in skincare and cosmetic treatments. At the same time, reactions online remain mixed, which is common with viral beauty products. Some users are impressed by the gradual glow and low-maintenance routine, while others question whether the long development time is worth it compared to traditional instant self-tanners. Beauty discussions on Reddit and skincare communities often show that users have very different experiences when it comes to glow products, tanning formulas, and skin reactions depending on skin type, climate, and personal preference. That means results with sun-free glow may vary from person to person. People expecting an instant dark tan might feel disappointed, while users looking for a softer, natural-looking glow may appreciate the gradual effect more. Overall, Sun-Free Glow represents a new generation of beauty technology that combines skincare science with sunless tanning convenience. Whether this product becomes the future of self-tanning or simply another social media trend, it has definitely captured attention in the skincare and beauty world because of its futuristic approach, easy application, and promise of a healthier-looking glow without sun damage.